So we're here at the Qualcomm booth at Mobile World Congress. So did you announce a new processor?
So we have two of our new processors up here. The first one is our 8960. This is going to be shipping several devices in the second quarter this year. And up here we have the 8064, which is our first quad-core device. And that'll be coming out.
8064.
8064. So this is a quad-core device. It's based on our next-generation Crate CPU architecture. So not only is it quad-core, but it's the next-generation higher-performance CPU. In the 8960, we have a dual-core Crate CPU. We have an integrated LTE modem, and it's a 28 nanometer. Our quad-core device is also in 28 nanometer. And what we're doing is we have two different demos running here. So up here we have our asynchronous demo. And what we're doing is we're running two different applications. We're running Pandora music streaming in the background, and we're doing web browsing right here in the foreground. What we're pointing out is that whenever you run different tasks, they require different amounts of CPU power. So most of our competitors, when you run a multi-core solution, they have to run at the highest performance point of the two CPUs. They can collapse one, but if they happen to be running two, they both have to be at this maximum power point. And as you know, as you can see here, most tasks don't require the same amount of performance to run on these guys. And what we're showing here is the power savings by being able to run the other CPU at a lower frequency and lower voltage for the lower intensity task. You can also see the same thing down here. Well, the main focus is not necessarily on ASMP, but the fact that you can run each one of these cores at 1.5 gigahertz. And in this case, we also have the asynchronous capability, so you'll see that each one of these CPUs is running at a different frequency. So that's what we have here.
So that's a technology that only Qualcomm has, the asynchronous?
Yes, we're the only ones shipping that in the ARM space.
So how long time does it take to get quad-core out on the market?
Quad-core will be out in the second half of this year.
Second half?
Yes.
And otherwise 28 nanometers?
Yes, they're both 28 nanometers.
And the new one, the quad-core has a faster GPU?
The quad-core is a faster GPU. We just announced at Mobile World Congress an upgrade to this one. So we're already shipping this one. There's going to be a Pro version coming out later this year, which has the same GPU as this one. So we'll have the Adreno 320 and the 8960 AB.
All right.